So what's up guys, my name is Aditya and welcome to AGT Tech. Well guys, in this video I am having bunch of information regarding the ProMotion display with the iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max, some news regarding the iPhone XR, and in short the latest updates from Apple's ecosystem. So guys, if you like to stay updated regarding Apple's ecosystem, then definitely consider subscribing to my channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, first news is that the iPhone XR has gone on to become the most valuable smartphone of the year. Well guys, if you are familiar in terms of financial terms, then as per time the value of the iPhones or value of a smartphones keeps on depreciating. Every time if you buy a new smartphone, the value of the phone goes down as per time. But guys, the iPhone XR was launched in 2018 and in 2020 also the price tag has not reduced substantially, and at the same time the iPhone XR is in huge demand. So guys, in terms of the financial standpoint, the iPhone XR has held up the value pretty good. And guys, talking about the iPhone XR, iPhone 11 and iPhone SE, Apple has rapidly increased the production. Well guys, Apple has given the order for 80 million iPhone 12 series and for 45 million of the current iPhones. So guys, in short, Apple is kind of boosting the production of the budget end iPhones so that people can get the iPhones for a reasonable price tag, and also Apple can remain profitable. And guys, now let me come to the main topic of this video, and that is the sad news regarding the iPhone 12 Pro. Well guys, we all are familiar that the iPhone 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Max are going to be having the 120 Hz ProMotion display. And guys, there is so much controversy going on just because currently Apple is unable to fulfill the demand for the displays. Well guys, currently Apple is facing some issues regarding the production of the 120 Hz display. So guys, according to a new report by the display specialist Ross Young, it states that Apple is not deciding to use 120 Hz with the iPhone 12 Pro or the 12 Pro Max. Well guys, Young has talked to more than 20 people in Korea, and according to all of them, Apple has not given any orders regarding the 120 Hz ProMotion display. So this particular report is creating lot of confusion in common consumers' mind. Well guys, just because everybody is waiting for the 120 Hz ProMotion iPhone. And guys, there are two sides to look at this situation, and let me tell you that Apple will 100% launch the iPhone 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Max with the 120 Hz ProMotion display. There are two reasons why Apple will opt for the high refresh rate display. The first reason is that the entire Android competition is going way ahead. Well guys, OnePlus started the 90 Hz refresh rate. Now many smartphones are having the 120 Hz refresh rate, and even there are few smartphones those are having 144 Hz of high refresh rate. And guys, Apple definitely does not want to lag behind. And guys, the second reason is that Apple is currently selling the iPad Pro, which is having 120 Hz touch refresh rate. And guys, because of this particular factor, take example, if there is a person who is having the latest iPad and the latest iPhone, he will definitely feel the iPad to be faster than the smartphone. But in reality, the iPhone's A series chipset is very much capable. Well guys, what I want to say here is that whenever a user is having an iPad and an iPhone, then the iPad will feel way more snappy than the iPhone. And guys, Apple definitely wants to offer an equal level of experience, and because of this, Apple will definitely opt for the 120 Hz display. So guys, now let me discuss regarding the launch date of the iPhone 12 lineup. Well guys, there is so much confusing information. Few sources say that Apple will conduct their event as usual, and on the other hand, few sources say that there will be a 2 months delay. According to the current reports, it is looking like Apple will conduct a September event as usual, but there will be delay in terms of the shipments. Well guys, if you are talking about the 5.4-inch iPhone 12 and the 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Max, then the shipments will start around September or October. But guys, if you are talking about the iPhone 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Max, the shipments can start around November or even December. So guys, currently the big issue that Apple is facing is in terms of the 5G modem and in terms of the high refresh rate. And guys, as we know that next year Apple is planning to launch a portless iPhone, and because of which this year with the iPhone 12 Apple will not include a charger or earphones. But guys, for fulfilling the portless iPhone demand, Apple has to come with a wireless charger. So guys, this year with the launch of the iPhone 12, expect a comeback of the AirPower Mat. Well guys, Apple can launch the exact same AirPower Mat as they said with the iPhone 10, or else they can launch a simple wireless charger. But guys, if Apple wants to opt for a portless iPhone, then a wireless charger is a must-have necessity. So guys, in short, in the September event, Apple might launch the AirPower Mat. And earlier, Jon Prosser has also given us the details that Apple is indeed working behind two models of the AirPower Mat. And guys, recently Apple has filed some amazing patents that include that Apple is working behind a in-display fingerprint reader. Well guys, this might be the technology for the next year's iPhone, but in short, Apple is trying its level best to introduce a in-display fingerprint reader with a great amount of security. And guys, now let us talk about the color variants, the storage capacity and the RAM size. Well guys, if you are talking about the colors, it is expected that with the iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max, there will be a dark blue or a space blue kind of color. Well guys, Apple might replace the current existing green color with the new navy blue color. And guys, if you are talking about the 5.4-inch iPhone 12, then it is looking like it might come in 6 color variants, and from which Apple might add a blue color variant. Well guys, this was the information regarding colors. Now let me talk about the storage variants of all of the iPhones. Well guys, till today we are getting 64GB as the base configuration, and with the iPhone 12 lineup you might be getting 128GB as the base configuration. So guys, always more storage is always welcome, and guys, especially for the $649 price point, 128GB looks like very reasonable. And guys, now let me talk about the RAM of the upcoming iPhones. Well guys, we all know that RAM in an iPhone doesn't matter at all. Well guys, iOS is very much optimized and Apple's A series chipset is pretty capable. And guys, because of this thing, nobody notices any kind of lagging issue because of less RAM. And guys, if you are talking about the RAM storage, then you're talking about a 4GB of storage for the iPhone 12 and the 12 Max, and the iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max are expected to come with 6GB of RAM. And guys, honestly, every single time with a 2GB, 3GB or even 4GB of RAM, any iPhone feels very much snappy. And guys, if you are talking about 6GB of RAM, that will make the iPhone 12 Pro a very much performance champion. Well guys, with the help of this video, I wanted to provide you the latest news regarding Apple's ecosystem. Well guys, currently there is so much controversy regarding the 120Hz of ProMotion display. There are few sources, those are telling that 120Hz is pretty much confirmed, and there are the other sources which say that the 120Hz will come next year. Well guys, I personally still believe that 120Hz will be the confirmed or the deciding factor for the iPhone 12 Pro. Well guys, if you are new to my channel, then definitely do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you with another updated video. Until then, peace.